they rely, like when you rely on free money as the world reserve currency.
You're at Dongmun Market.
Cute.
And that's the sweet potato. Do you want it?
I just share with Alyssa.
How about we share? It is spicy.
There's only a couple pieces of stuff.
Yeah, but it's a bit. Oh, they have mango.
아이고, gentle. Okay, 아이.
Gentle. Fried and dirty. You can probably dip a bit hot.
Look around. More crab? More? Okay. Well, you gotta be careful. I'll just choke it. One more likes the crab. Okay, 감사합니다.
Is it hot?
It's a little bit hot. I can't eat it.
Are you enjoying yourself?
It's cool. It's actually a really cool market. Lots of cool stuff. A little bit pricey, but it's pretty cool.
Fishy.
Having fun at the market? Oh, she wants to.
are.
Fishy.
She wants you to carry her now.
Okay, because it's scary. She likes to see when something's a little bit scary, then she wants me to carry it.
Take a look, the fishes. We have to go all the way down here. Yeah, so we're right now we're underneath the street. Just keeps going on forever and ever. It's kind of crazy. We've already done some shopping.
Okay, let's go.
Got Haley hat.
Let's walk.
And just about to pass out. We're all shopped out.
Shopped out. I want to check the credit card bills yet.
짜장면.
Look at this.
Just for Jacob, he's gonna have his own. Did you?